Today on my channel, I will be sharing 5 reasons why you should be starting your YouTube channel now. Yeah, you heard that right. 5 reasons why you should be starting your channel right now.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
Hi guys, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Victoria Nzelibe, as my friend would say, baby girl for life. I'm just kidding. If you are just seeing my face for the first time today, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria Nzelibe. I'm going to remove this video so I can relax a bit. Okay, so on my channel, I do everything. Guys. You're going to be seeing behind the scenes, things I do to improve my video quality, everything. And not only that, you're going to be seeing beauty, fashion, travel, cooking, lifestyle, and of course motivation and empowerment, because I need you, you need me, we need each other to motivate each other and to empower each other. With what is going on in the world today, we definitely need some sense of empowerment. Okay, so I do that in my channel. I have a lot of previous videos on that, so if you're looking for some kind of motivation, go check out my videos. Now let's get back to this. So today on my channel, I will be sharing 5 reasons why you should be starting your YouTube channel now. Yeah, you heard that right. 5 reasons why you should be starting your channel right now. So I have a change of scenery. How many of you like it? This is just to show you what you can do with your channel. You know, anything you want. You can do anything you want with your channel. I'm going to change another scenario so that you can see your channel can be exciting as you want it. So yes, this is me again in front of this beautiful big game. So guys, I had to come back here because I was making a mess. Okay. Why is that naming those reasons? I want to tell you something you don't know, or you probably know but don't want to believe you know it, or something you've been hearing so many times on other YouTube channels, but it just goes into this ear and comes out of that ear. Anybody can start a YouTube channel. Anybody can have a YouTube channel. Anybody can own a YouTube channel. YouTube channels, in fact, YouTube is a business. Yes, YouTube is a business. It's a source of income, and it can be a side hustle too. So if your excuse is, hey, I work 9 to 5, I can't do this, I work too, and I am doing YouTube, okay? Or whatever your excuse is, basically, you can do YouTube. And if you're one of those people that used to sound like me, hey, I don't know how to talk in front of the camera, I'm camera shy, I'm this, I'm that, and that, whatever, you can do YouTube. All you need to do is practice. But for you to also enjoy this YouTube, aside from looking at YouTube as a business, you have to enjoy doing it, because let me tell you the hard truth, the painful truth is that you don't get monetized immediately you start your YouTube. You don't. I am not still monetized. The only reason why I am still here doing my YouTube, making these videos for you, these informative, intuitive videos for you, is because I like what I am doing. Which brings me to what I want to say. You have to like talking or doing this type of things to enjoy your YouTube in the long run. Because baby, whenever you start YouTube, immediately you start, except you're one celebrity that will just get 1,000 subscribers easily, you have to be you have to wait like me. I'm still waiting for my hours to get to that point where I start getting monetized and for my subscribers count to increase. And at this point, I am not there yet. But I am still doing this because I know YouTube is a business. YouTube is my business, okay? It is my business. My channel is my business. I am basically investing in my channel right now. So the first reason why you should start a YouTube channel is because YouTube is an outlet to meet like-minded people. It's not just you. You don't, in fact, let me just tell you, yes, you are unique, you are different, but there are other people that are unique and different like you. Like, you'll be surprised to know that there's so many people that believe in the kind of things you believe in, the kind of things you say. You know, I'm going to give you an instance. Recently, I posted one video about red lips. Okay, I shared something, how to succeed in life. You know, I shared about 3 of them, and someone reached out to me, a friend. I was not, in fact, that day I was kind of feeling bad because people were not really watching, people were not viewing, you know. And she reached out to me. She's like, "Thank you. I just saw the message." She's like, "You don't know how you impact people in this life." When I read that message, I'm like, "What? Did something happen? Is she talking about this video or something else?" And she went on to say, "Your video actually spoke to me. I needed to hear that at that point in my life, and you said that." Guys, you can imagine how I felt. I felt so valued. I felt so important. I'm like, so somebody can actually value my video this much. Yeah, so you never know who you might come across that, you know, you might be impacting something in their life. You don't know who is going through anything in this life. You don't know. It could be anything. It could be makeup. You know, there's so many people that like makeup. There's so many people, anything. Like, you would be surprised the amount of people that are like-minded. Okay? The second reason why I should start your YouTube channel today, right now, or start planning towards it, is because number 2, YouTube is free but also not free. I'm sure you guys are like confused. Which one is free but also not free? I'm getting there. Okay, now listen, pay attention, come closer. What I mean by YouTube is free but also not free is because you put out content out there for free. Guys, you put your content out there for free and you get different streams of money. One content you put out there can bring you different streams of income. So one free content that I am putting out there, like for instance this video I am making now, share with you why you should start YouTube, is free. I am putting it out there for free. Nobody's charging me. I don't have camera people behind this my video. My tripod is literally standing and my phone is on it, so I am making this video for free, and in return, when I get monetized, I'll be receiving different streams of income. Different streams of income because one, YouTube will be paying me. YouTube will be paying me as people stream my videos, and the other stream of income is if for instance I am influencing something on YouTube, or I am advertising something on YouTube. For instance, if I am advertising this hair on YouTube, then, and I leave the link below, somebody is going to click on that link if they like my hair and, you know, they're buying my hair, and that is me doing free advertising on my stuff and receiving income from the free advertising I did. Another stream of income is, now this hair might not be mine, it could be somebody paying me to influence, you know, for them, influence their product for them. Like for instance, somebody could be paying me, "Hey, wear my hair for me," and, you know, shout me out on YouTube and whatsoever. So I am getting paid for doing this, and in return they are also getting paid from the people that will be clicking on that link to purchase this hair. So YouTube is free but also not free. So what are you doing now? What are you still waiting for? You should start preparing. You should start writing this down, because, my dear, you should be making plans on how to start your YouTube. The third reason why you should start your YouTube video, why you should start now, is because on YouTube your content lasts the longest. Yes, like your content is going to be there from year to year, and what people don't know is that, like, as people view your videos, you keep receiving money. So like, one video is not a one-time money, guys. No. For instance, this video I'm putting out there, when I get monetized, I'm not going to be paid just one time for this video. As my viewers increase, I'm going to keep getting paid. So even in 4 years time, I could be getting paid for this same video you are watching right now. Yes, so your content lasts the longest and continuously get money, moolah, from it. I know people like to hear about money. That's why I actually said I'm going to tell you reasons why you should start the video. Like, you guys need to think ahead. Think ahead. I started my YouTube channel rather, last year, and this year I can see some improvement. My viewers, my friends, when they watch these videos, they tell me, hey, I'm seeing some improvement in your videos, I'm getting more views, my subscriber count is increasing, and very soon, very soon, by the grace of God, I will be monetized. So when I get there, I'm going to let you know I am monetized. But anyways, that video out there, you don't know who might find it informative. Like I said, there are so many like-minded people out there. So you don't know the people that are finding it informative, people that will watching your videos. So girl, guy, man, woman, start your video right now. You can literally start your video and do anything, like anything. Talk about anything. So many people start YouTube for real estate, to showcase houses. So people start YouTube to show their art, whether they are singing, rapping, whatever. You can start YouTube for anything. Gym, anything, guys, anything. So start yours now. The fourth reason why you should start your YouTube channel is mobility. Guys, there is no stress in making a YouTube video, except of course you want to stress yourself and be buying unnecessary things you don't need. For instance, I am using one lighting, and I'm just going to make this quick video to show you my setup, so you see how easy my setup is. Listen, this is all I am using to basically shoot this video right now. Do you see this? Yeah, just this. This is what I'm basically using. We don't need to do too much. My lighting is okay for me. My phone is on point. I don't use a camera. Some of you might know that, some of you might not. I don't use a camera. I've never used a camera to shoot my YouTube videos. Yeah, I don't use that. And it's really easy. You just need to get your lighting. In fact, if you're shooting outside, you really don't need a lighting because you have natural light, except you want extra light though. So YouTube, you can be mobile with your YouTube. You can literally live anywhere, be anywhere. You can carry I'm going to actually show you guys when I'm making a video on how to start your YouTube channel. Yeah, because I'm going to make a video on how to start a YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you all the equipment and materials I use, how I make it very mobile for myself and very portable, easy to carry. So yeah, YouTube, you can live anywhere, you can do anything, you can can't you just start now? Do you see? This is freedom. This is freedom to be yourself, to do anything you want to do. And guys, guess what? YouTube money is not small money when it starts coming. Maybe the first time you get monetized here, it might be small money, but eventually, YouTube money is not small money because you're getting sponsors. For instance, imagine an influencer on Instagram, how they get paid to influence products. Then imagine what YouTube does when you are literally actually making videos, talking about products. Guys, you know what I mean, right? So yes, you can literally stop your 9 to 5 and start working for yourself, probably for your YouTube, start your business, do all that. I'm going to tell you all of that later. But yes, you should start your YouTube now because you don't need to be carrying too much, and you can be living anywhere, doing anything, being in a restaurant and making your videos. You can literally just hold your phone like this and be vlogging. YouTube, you can do anything. You don't need a script for YouTube, okay? On the other hand, I actually write sometimes just so I'm not short of words, okay? Just so I remember the few points I want to hint on. That's why I write mine sometimes. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do freestyle, like the days I am vlogging. Okay, now, the fifth and final reason why you should start your YouTube channel is because, I've hinted this before, is because it is free. YouTube is free, oh, it is free, oh. You create free, you upload free, you edit free, you open an account free, everything is free. When you're ready to start your YouTube, to create a Google account, anything is free. You don't need to pay anything. To edit your video is free. If you're using an iPhone, you can start with the iMovie, which is free, or you can actually edit on YouTube as a beginner, which is also free. To get background music is free. Everything is free on YouTube. To shoot the video too is free because you are using your phone. Listen, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, you can make use of what you have. You don't have to even have the lighting. You can literally sit in front of your window, facing your window, and be making your videos with natural light during the day. So to start a YouTube channel is free. Now, let me tell you one good thing about YouTube. Do you know that this video I am making, after uploading, I can download the MP3 version of it and make it a podcast. Now that's how many streams of money. How many streams of money? That is how many streams of money. Yeah, I can download it, make it a podcast, make it a blog post, make it a reel, anything I want to do, guys. I can do that with my YouTube. So what is stopping you from starting a YouTube channel now? To start your YouTube channel, you need zero permission. Just go after your dreams. It's freedom. Like, even when you want to upload your first YouTube videos and you're a bit concerned about what people will think and in fact, if you're starting a YouTube channel, then you need to get that off your head. Stop thinking about what people will think or what people will say. Live for you, okay? But even if you don't want people to know about your channel, you can just start and not tell anybody that you've started. Let me tell you something. Fun facts. I did not officially start my YouTube channel in March of last year. Actually, April of last year. I started my YouTube channel a year before that. But I only uploaded one video, which is currently private. Yes, you're not seeing. I think about 23 people watched that video, my friends inclusive. I think I shared it among 4 of my friends, Sandra, Ella, Cassie, my twin sister. Yeah, just them. And then I noticed other viewers were viewing it from YouTube, so I had to put it on private so that I can video everyone seeing it, because I was still nervous, I was still concerned about what people would say, if I'm talking right, can they hear me? Yeah, if you don't want anybody to watch your video yet, you can start it. Don't tell anybody, do it on the low, see what reviews you get, send it to friends if you like, or you can basically just put your camera there and start recording yourself. You can hold your camera and talk about anything, just talk to yourself. Hey, hi, I want to be on YouTube. Hi, this is me on YouTube. Things like that. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel. Do not forget to like, share, and comment below. Tell me what you think. Share your opinions. Ask me any questions. I am willing and ready to answer anything you want to ask me. And until next time, guys, bye.